Welcome to the ATD's Rail Signaling Model Room, a space where technical precision meets experiential learning. This is where the next generation of mainline and mass transit rail professionals begin their journey into the fascinating world of railway signaling. Our rail signaling model is a scaled-down, fully functional representation of a real-world signaling system. From point machines and signals to track circuits, axle counters, AFTC, and electronic interlocking logic, every component is meticulously integrated. But we go far beyond replication. The model includes onboard train controls featuring ATO, ATP, and manual train driving with secure radio links. This gives trainees a realistic experience of accelerating, braking, and navigating trains just as they would in the field. Designed for engagement and clarity, the model transforms complex signaling concepts into hands-on interactive learning. It saves precious time otherwise spent on field visits and provides a controlled, safe, and risk-free environment for learning. The model replicates operations across elevated, underground, and at-grade stations, giving trainees a comprehensive understanding of diverse metro scenarios. Key learnings of this rail model include track circuiting, DC track circuits, AFTC and axle counters, route setting, locking and releasing, approach locking and emergency release, short loop operations for metros, and interlocking demonstrated as route relay interlocking, panel interlocking, Siemens or British type interlocking, all on the same model. Trainees can also simulate realistic fault conditions such as dropping a track circuit or disturbing a point machine feedback, and observe how interlocking logic ensures system safety in real time. Beyond training, the model doubles as a powerful design verification tool. Engineers can cross-check control tables, scheme plans, and wiring diagrams against the working system, building strong conceptual clarity and design insight. This is more than training. It's about building confidence, capability, and readiness for real-world challenges. Why rail model rooms matter? A fully functional rail model room delivers enormous competitive advantage. Traditional field demonstrations are time-consuming and costly and carry risks of injury or accidents, especially when training large batches. With our in-house working rail model, all these hurdles are eliminated. The return on investment (ROA) is not just quick, it's transformative. The model is equally valuable for OEMs and service providers, enabling them to train design engineers and showcase their signaling capabilities. Most new engineers arrive with little domain knowledge. Our model accelerates their learning curve and builds true expertise. We have already delivered successful installations at Scient Limited Hyderabad and the DMRC Rail Academy, both of which have proven the model's effectiveness and impact. ATD's rail model is modular and customizable. It can be tailored for mainline operations, showcasing Vande Bharat or mixed passenger and freight trains with Class A, B, and C stations, large yards, and real-time IoT telemetry integration. Or it can be adapted for mass transit networks, reflecting their unique operational requirements. At ATDs, there are virtually no limits to how we can configure the rail signaling model to meet customer needs. At the heart of everything we do is a simple promise. ATD is committed to enhancing safety, efficiency, and operational excellence. At ATDs, we believe that great signaling systems start with great training. Our rail signaling model reflects that belief, building knowledge, safety, and excellence, one trainee at a time. Thank you for visiting the ATD's Rail Signaling Model Room.